We're back at One Horn Larry Garage. Just wanted to give an update on the Caprice after we did the burnout the other day. Brought it back in, started working on it again. We got the roof sanded, DA'd down, about ready for primer. Quarter panel, the upper part is nice and straight. It's ready for primer and blocking. Started fixing rust yesterday. I got most of it cut out, started patching, had to rebuild this inner structure. Of course, nobody sells anything like that, so. I had to fabricate that. So that's coming along pretty good back here, but I'm gonna take a break from that because I'm excited to do this. Got the cowl in for the hood today. Nobody makes a cowl hood for a 70 Caprice. So we ordered a steel cowl and gonna mount it on the factory hood. As you can see, we started sanding on it yesterday as well. Shannon did. And now I'm gonna see about fitting this. As you can see, there's the hood curves and this is a flat cowl. So I'm gonna have to do some metal work there. And then of course you got these vents. So where this flange goes, I'm probably gonna have to weld in and shave the vents right there so the cowl has something flat to sit on and doesn't look ghetto. And then I've also got to fit it around the peak of the hood so that the body lines blend in. That's gonna look nice when it's done. Cowl hood's all welded on. Had to cut it down to match the contour of the hood. It's all spot welded all the way around the edges. Of course, we got some body filler to do. Smooth the edges into the hood. Using some fiberglass to do that. Really makes the car look a hell of a lot different. Gives it a nice smooth attitude.